my friends, how are you all today? I'm here, Lauren from Explore Mama, and I am going to show you what I got in my KetoKrate this month. If you don't know what a KetoKrate is, this is a KetoKrate. Comes in a box like this. Usually about 10 goodies that are keto. I personally, this is my third box. I've really enjoyed them. I get several, there's things I like and there's things I don't like depending on what ingredients are in the items, but I absolutely love getting a surprise box in the mail every month and finding some snacks that I can take with me if I go traveling or I am just on the move, getting kids, whatever. So, as you know, I do prefer my own recipes and making things from scratch, but I also love having something I can go to without being tempted to grab a bite at the gas station, not that I would, or the, just a local restaurant or bakery. So anyways, here we go. Let's see what's in it. So KetoKrate, your mission. This is the March 2020 KetoKrate. So there are a lot of different things about keto in March. Leprechaun yourself. Ready? Here we go. I'm a leprechaun. Jeez. All right. So that's pretty fun. There's always some inspirational stories, different things in these. So again, this is my third KetoKrate. I'm pretty excited. Here we have a keto cookie. This is from Lenny and Larry's Living the Keto Life. I'm going to look at, this is the first time I've looked at these, so I haven't gone through all the ingredients to see what I like or don't like, but it is always fun to have these options. So here's a fat bar, FATTBARR. We have the IQ bar, and that is, let's see, brain and body, 6 brain nutrients, plant protein. There's a keto bar from Ketology, keto bar chocolate and almond butter. Always good to be able to throw in your bag. There's an almond espresso keto chocolate keto cups, 2 cups in there. I tried to give up coffee because it just doesn't work. Now, twists. These actually, we get these at Costco quite often because my daughter loves these and they make a great snack to throw in for lunch or in a bag that are nut-free and keto. So I like these a lot actually. This one, pork rinds. We have Pork King Good. Nacho cheddar fried pork rinds. Now if you've seen my recipes, you'll know I use pork rinds a lot, like smashed up as breadcrumbs. So in meatloaf, meatballs, as coatings for things to fry. So we'll see. My husband does love the pork rinds. I'm not so sure on them by themselves, but good option for a snack. Pecans, sea salt, all natural roasted pecans from Front Porch. I do love my pecans, but we have a nut allergy, as probably you may know if you've watched me much in the house. So these are going to be something I have to eat elsewhere. Here we have Kiss My ketogenic chocolate. So pumpkin seeds and sea salt, no sugar added. Oh, and more chocolate, which is always exciting for me. Keto bark pecan, soy-free, sweetened with monk fruit. I've been meaning to try some Choc Zero. It's one that has been recommended to me many times, but I've never actually bought it. So this is an opportunity for me in my KetoKrate to do that. So if you see here, we have 10 different items and it completely fills the KetoKrate and it's a fun thing to get every month. I've enjoyed it, and if you choose to try that out, I hope you like it too. So that's what's in the March KetoKrate. Thank you.